Richard Bennett.
And I am Elle Bennett. Hi.
We've been married for 9 years, and our marriage was, it was up and down, like really that roller coasters.
It was toxic. It was bad.
We were really in the bottom a lot, not aligned with God. We were just looking for ourselves, money, whatever was the biggest thrill. We will argue the whole day about the same thing. And it really was just about who's right and who's wrong.
Richard says to me, "You're supposed to be submitting to your husband, and I'm your husband." I was like, "Well, show me how you act Christ-like, and maybe I'll submit." Submission to me meant being less than.
I didn't want to submit to any man.
I went to Women's Life, and one night Nana Lo was teaching, and she said that you can't look at it as submission just to your husband, it's submission to Christ. And I was like, okay, I'll try that. We got into a fight, and he got mad at me because I repeated a question, and he was just leave me alone. I was like, okay. So I literally went downstairs and cried. I was just like, Lord, I submit to you. Everything I submit to you. I don't know what that is. That would have normally caused a fight. So I got on my knees, I started praying and crying. After I calmed down, I went upstairs, and the first thing he did was apologize. I was like, what? This man never apologized. I was like, I know everything happens in God's timing, but I was like, whoa, that was quick.
I started seeing Elle getting closer to Christ. She would go downstairs and have her own devotional times. I see her reading the Bible, and she started putting Christ first.
Even when our husbands aren't equally yoked, we show them what Christ looks like.
And as men, for your wife to submit is a Christ submission. So you have to be Christ-like. And just like any other father, dad out there, I don't know if you're going out with my daughter. It's Christ's daughter. Christ wants us to be like him, to take care of his daughter.
Struggling with submission is because you're trying to stay in control.
I know it sounds like it's the hardest thing to do, but once you make that decision to do it, it's rewarding, it's amazing. He shows you exactly who he is. He saves marriages. This is a brand new marriage in my eyes.
We lay every problem, every evil thought, everything at the foot of the cross, and he fights our battles. And he fought this battle between us, and it was amazing.